As an intending or aspiring affiliate marketer, and you want to make your 1 million naira in 1 month. So the first thing you need to do as an affiliate marketer who wants to make a first 1 million naira in 1 month is that you're going to pick one affiliate marketing product and use your link strategically. Then the second thing you need to do is to create a content system, because this is where the money comes from. You need visibility, trust, and urgency. The third thing you need to do is to close people in your DMs by moving them to your WhatsApp immediately. The fourth step you need to do is to use WhatsApp status strategy. And also the fifth one is that you should shoot short form videos like TikTok reels, Instagram reels. Then the sixth step is that you are to use urgency strategy because it increases sales faster. Then the seventh step is that you need to keep on reinforcing trust daily, because when there is no trust, there is no sales. Then the last but not the least is that you're going to repeat every of your execution plan weekly. Do all of this and you're going to be amazed at the results.